Okay girls, Hannah from the Doodlebug, and I am coming to you from the Deflecto booth here at our trade show that we're at, and I want to show you this product because I really just want to get your opinion on it. Personally, I love it, but it's one of those things. Do you love it? Do you need it? Do we need it at the store? So these are stacking little organizers, okay? So they pop apart. They're really nice and tight, so it's good and secure, but they pop apart. They have little containers. Ooh, they're telling us the show is closing soon, so we gotta hurry up. They've got containers here, decent size containers, okay? You've got a big one, you've got a small one, and then a medium sized one for each level. Those levels will stack. They pop together. And then let's say you've got a whole lot and you want to take it with you, okay? And this thing is really heavy. You can't see my arm bulging right now, but this is heavy and it's staying together. So you can take that with you. You can also get a wheelbase for it. So if you are a crafter that has a small room, you can wheel this underneath a table, wheel it into a closet, just to clean up and tidy up your area. Now, new that just came out is this little liner. So it will go into the biggest one, drop in there, close it up. Okay, so we've got that. Now, come on over here with me as I just take over their booth, because that's what I do. So new for this show are these little marker storage containers. Storage. We know you guys love storage. So with these, you can keep them out at home. They will actually stack together. Ooh, I'm stacking it the wrong way. They will nest and stack together. But then if you are crafting on the go, you can actually take these with you, and then you can drop them into here. And as you can see, you'll be able to fit 6 up there on the top, so you can see your markers, easy access, and it's nice and clean and tidy then too. I mean, they'll be in there really good. So those are some new things that they've got to add on to it at this show. But then as well, one more thing, ribbon. Oh my gosh, do you not love the ribbon organization? So it's got a nice little dowel rod in there, and again, this will fit into that bigger caddy. So let us know what you think. Do we need it? Do you need it? And then we will be sure, and if you vote yes, we will pick them up for the store. Okay, I'm Hannah from the Doodlebug. We are coming to you from our CHA trade show, and I will see you again soon. Thanks.